Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change alarm snooze duration on your iPhone. So how you can do it, first of all go inside the clocks on iPhone, and once you're inside the clocks, so you will see basically all the alarms that you have set. Go make sure to go inside the alarm section as well, and you will see basically all the alarms. Now let's say my alarm is currently set to 9:30 a.m. Just click on it and make sure to turn off the snooze. Once you turn off the snooze, click on save. And once you have saved, now there is no snooze. The alarm is set to 9:30, and just click on this plus button and just select again the time, let's say 9, and it should be like 9:31, let's say, am, and turn off the snooze. Now let's say our new alarm is basically 1 minute later. You have to turn off the snooze for both the alarms because there's no official feature to change the duration of the snooze. If you want to add another, let's say, alarm, you can just again go back, select the timing, let's say 9:35 this time, select am, turn off the snooze, and click on save. Now as you can see, basically we have set three alarms: 9:30, 31, and 35. Our first snooze is for 1 minute, the second is for 4 minutes. That is according to our choice. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.